Google just dropped a bombshell at its hottest event of the year, unveiling a treasure trove of jaw-dropping tech goodies. But here's the million-dollar question: what's Google got cooking for us this time? Didn't have time to tune in live? That's okay. Today we'll tell you everything you need to know about the Made by Google event. Will it be a new Pixel phone, the new Pixel Watch 2, or possibly an update to Android 14? Let's find out. But before we begin, a little housekeeping. If you're excited to know about these updates, then go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. First up, let's introduce you to the stars of the show, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. The new flagships from Google are powered by their new Tensor G3 chip, along with the Titan M2 security microprocessor. Both phones feature a new design with satin metal finishes and a polished glass back. The Pixel 8 has a 6.2-inch display, while the Pixel 8 Pro has a 6.7-inch display. They also come with a new Super Actua display, which is 42% brighter than the Pixel 7's display. Speaking of the Pixel 7, Google has retained its small hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro also have upgraded camera systems. The main camera on both phones has a 50-megapixel sensor, but the Pixel 8 Pro also has a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. One of the most exciting new features of the Pixel 8 is the new Magic Editor tool. This tool uses AI to automatically remove unwanted objects from photos, such as people, cars, and even entire buildings. The cameras of the Pixel 8 also have an AI tool called astrophotography, which Google claims is a feature that makes Pixel 8 the first smartphone to truly see in the dark. Some of the other features of the Pixel 8 include car crash detection and a photo unblur feature. The standard Pixel 8 starts at $699 for the 128GB variant and $759 for the 256 top-end version, while the Pixel 8 Pro will cost you $999 for the 128GB variant, $1059 for the 256GB model, $1179 for the 512GB version, and $1399 for the US-only 1TB option. Both the Pixels will be available for pre-orders from October 12th. Google also launched the Pixel Buds Pro, the upgraded version of its wireless earbuds. The new version supports Bluetooth Super Wideband on Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, which doubles the bandwidth for voices, making the sound fuller, clearer, and more natural than ever before. Google is promising a more delightful audio experience by incorporating AI in the Buds Pro, making it a truly smart earbud. A new AI feature called Conversation Detection will pause your music and switch to transparency mode when you start speaking. And that's not all. This feature will also automatically resume your music and turn on active noise cancellation when you stop speaking. The Pixel Bud Pros also have a new audio feature called Clear Calling that automatically reduces the background noise around the person on the other side of the call, enhancing voice quality. The Google Pixel Bud Pros are priced at $199.99 and will be available in new colors like Bay Blue and Porcelain. Now, the Pixel Watch 2 is Google's new smartwatch. The new version is 10% lighter than the Pixel Watch, as its frame is made from 100% recycled aluminum. The Pixel Watch 2 has a quad-core CPU which delivers better performance than the Pixel Watch. Together with the low-power coprocessor, the new CPU gives the watch 24 hours of battery life. It comes with the highly optimized Wear OS 3, making every interaction and animation much smoother. The Pixel Watch 2 also has new safety features and sensors for deep health insights like medical ID, emergency sharing, and safety check. Additionally, it also has Google's most accurate heart rate tracking feature to date, giving a very precise pulse reading. The Pixel Watch 2 is also packed with many AI features. One of the most useful new features is the new Sleep Score feature. This uses AI to track your sleep quality and provide you with insights on how to improve your sleep. The Pixel Watch 2 starts at $349 for the Wi-Fi only model. With LTE connectivity, it costs $399. Google also announced Android 14, the latest version of its mobile operating system. Android 14 brings new features and improvements to the user interface, performance, security, privacy, and accessibility. It includes several new features, such as AI-generated wallpapers, passkey support for third-party apps, monthly reminders for data sharing, and camera flash notifications. Some of the interesting features include Material U, which adapts the system theme to the user's wallpaper and preferences, Live Translate, which allows real-time translation of any text or speech on the screen, Focus Mode, which helps users minimize distractions and stay productive, and Privacy Dashboard, which gives users more control over their data and permissions. Android 14 also brings several camera improvements, including support for high-quality Ultra HDR images and in-center zooming that allows one to zoom in and out without compromising on image quality in some third-party apps. The new OS also allows for better low-light photography. Android 14 will be available for Pixel devices and other select phones later this year. Additionally, Google also announced that it is extending software support for Pixel phones. This means that Pixel phones will receive security updates and new features for the next 7 years. Google also unveiled its intention to integrate generative artificial intelligence functionalities into its virtual assistant. According to Sissy Xiao, the vice president of Google Assistant and Bard, this AI enhancement will empower the virtual assistant to perform tasks such as aiding users in itinerary planning for trips or assisting with email management, all while being capable of posing subsequent inquiries to users. In addition to the Pixel 8 series, Google also dropped the new dual-screen interpreter mode for its Pixel Fold. It acts as a personal translator that uses both screens of the tablet for a more natural conversation. The Pixel Fold simultaneously uses the inner and outer screens to translate live conversations. Now, by opening the device completely flat, you can speak to the person on the other side in a completely different language. So, there you have it. These were all the updates and announcements from the Made by Google event. So what do you think of the new Pixel phones? Which one will you buy? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.